1 year ago this week, the Supreme Court in the U.S. struck down Roe versus Wade. That ruling made abortion legal across America.
And as we approach the anniversary of that decision, senators are planning to take up abortion legislation. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Rachel Knapp joining us now live from the U.S. Capitol on this. Good evening, Rachel.
Good evening, Mike and Eva. So as this anniversary approaches, there's a lot of mixed feelings among senators. Republicans, for the most part, are celebrating the court's decision on this. Democrats, not so much. But the Democrats, they hold the majority in the Senate, and so they want to take this moment and press Republicans on this hot button issue. Around 1 year ago, the Supreme Court overturned the landmark Roe v. Wade ruling. It was a nearly 50-year decision that legalized abortion in the U.S. A year later, Senate Republicans and Democrats are still divided on the court's decision.
For 50 years, Roe v. Wade protected our reproductive freedom and our right to make our own health care decisions. For 50 years. Then 1 year ago, it suddenly was gone.
So for us, we're celebrating a Dobbs decision, and we're celebrating the option to be able to be turned back to the American people where it was before, to be able to make the decision about the value of every single child.
To mark the year anniversary of the court's decision, Senate Democrats plan to put 4 pieces of abortion legislation on the floor. 1, access to contraception and birth control. 2, guaranteeing women can travel freely across state lines for health care. 3, bolstering data privacy for online health and location data. And 4, protecting doctors and medical professionals for continuing to provide abortion care. We expect Democrats to ask for a procedure of unanimous consent on the legislation. It's a procedural step that allows any single senator to ask for a vote on the bill. But any objection from a single Republican lawmaker would result in the bill's failure. It's a quick way to force a vote on the issue.
What the Dobbs decision essentially said and did was return that decision back to the states, whereas where it should have been decided in the first place.
Republicans deep down want to ban abortions for everyone, everywhere. So that's why this week, our senators behind me will be asking consent on common sense legislation to protect women's most fundamental rights.
Mike and Eva, we expect all 4 of those measures to fail on the Senate floor. Democratic Senator Patty Murray of Washington says it's imperative that we make plain to the country just how extreme and dangerous Republicans' anti-abortion agenda is. And so, Mike and Eva, that's why the Democrats are pushing for this vote. Back to you.